Standard 7. Today I discuss Standard 7th, Chapter 4, Question Answers. Today discuss question answers. Your first question: what is heat? Heat is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hotness or coldness. Heat is measured in joule. J for joule or Cal for calories. 1 kilojoule equal 1000 joule. 1 calorie equal 4.2 joule. Second question: what is temperature and its measurement? Your answer: the degree of hotness or coldness. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object and scale is called temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object on a scale is called temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. And other unit of degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Your point: relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. This is a formula: C equal 5 by 9 into F minus 32. C equal 5 by 9 F minus 32. Where C is temperature in Celsius scale, F is temperature in Fahrenheit scale. Your third questions: calculate the temperature in Celsius when normal body temperature of a boy is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Your answers given. Fahrenheit, F equal 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. फार्मूला क्या है? C इक्वल 5 by 9 इंटू F माइनस 32. 5 by 9 इंटू F माइनस 32. तो C इक्वल F by 9. C का इसमें फ़ारेनहाइट का वैल्यू दिया है 98.6. तो 98.6 माइनस 32. इसको कैलकुलेट किए, यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो कितना आया? 66.6. 5 by 9 इंटू 6 by 6. इसको कैंसिल हो गया, कितना आ गया कट के? 7.4. योर आंसर 5 इंटू 7.4 इक्वल 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. यानी कि डिग्री सेल्सियस में इस बॉय का बॉडी का टेम्परेचर कितना हो गया? 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. जबकि फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल में कितना था? 98.6 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. अगेन डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, चैप्टर 4. डिफाइन रेडिएशन. गिव वन एग्जाम्पल टू शो हीट ट्रांसफर बाय रेडिएशन. योर आंसर: it is the process of transfer of heat from hot body to cold body without affecting the medium. It is the fastest mode of heat transfer. Examples: we wear white cloth during summer because white color cloth absorb less heat and keep us cool. We receive heat from the sun by radiation. Next questions 5 number. What is sea breeze? How is it set up? Your answer: the cool air from the sea blowing towards the land is called sea breeze. During the daytime, land heats up more quickly than the sea water. The air above the land surface being heated and rise up, the cooler air above the sea surface blows towards the land to take its place. 6 number question. What is meant by the bad conductor of heat? Give examples of two materials which are bad conductors of heat. Your answers: the materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called bad conductors of heat. Examples: wood, plastic. Plastic is a bad conductor materials which does not pass heat through it. Thank you very much.